Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Adedoyin, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I am very grateful. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be tying gele. Yes. So for this gele, you need your ashoke. This is the only ashoke I have here, so you guys should ignore. Okay, I'm going to change it anytime I see somebody going home, so they can get me another ashoke. But for now, this is what we are going to be using, so you guys should get used to my purple ashoke. Okay. And we are going to be needing pin, so let's just dive right into the video. So the measurement for this gele is 50-50. So you just fold your gele like so and you pleat. See, if you can't pleat it on your head directly, you can use your lap. Okay, just place the gele on your lap like this, then you pleat. You create like 3 or 5 pleats. I can do it on my head, but then I want to show you guys, for those of you who can't pleat it on your head directly. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So I've created 3 pleats. Let me go ahead and create one last pleat. I think it is now 5. Oh, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I have like 5 pleats here, so I'll go ahead and place it on my head. The reason why I did it this way is because I want my hair to show at the back. I want this place to show. So you arrange the pleats on your head properly. Remember, the measurement for this gele is 50-50. That means you have equal parts. So you arrange the pleats properly on your head. Make sure you arrange it properly. Then you come to this side also and you arrange the pleats properly. So I'm done arranging the pleats. If you don't want your hair to show, you can cover it up. But for me, I want my hair to show. Okay. So just take it to the back. You can see what I'm doing. Take it to the back like so. Can you see this? Now for this part, you hold it this way and you place it on your pleat, the pleat you have here, and you are going to create more pleats. You create more pleats. Before you start creating your pleat, make sure you arrange the gele properly so it doesn't stress you. Can you see this? Arrange it properly. Then you start creating your pleat. We are not going to create much pleats, as we are going to use this part to make fan. So you just create like 3 or 4 pleats before you start creating your fan. So let me create one more pleat, and I'll go ahead and start creating my fan. See, any pleat you are creating, make sure you bring it to this side. Okay, can you see? So at this point, I will start creating fan. So to create your fan, you are still going to continue pleating, but you start from somewhere here. This is the first one. So we are going to pleat again from this angle. Can you see? You fold it like this. Then make sure you arrange it properly here. You go ahead and create another pleat. Just look at what I'm doing. It is not something difficult, okay? You might not be able to, be perfect at it the first time, but the more you practice, the more you become perfect. Practice makes perfection, okay? So you go ahead and you pleat again, okay? So you create another pleat. So at this point, I'm done creating the pleat. Make sure you arrange your pleat properly here. You don't want your gele to scatter. So you arrange it properly and you secure. So you are going to take your pin and find the way of securing this here. Secure it properly. So when you are done securing it, twist this part out. Twist it. Twist it. So you twist it properly and find the way of securing it at the back. Make sure you secure it properly. You cannot over secure your gele, so you have to do it properly. Then you twist this part. You can see I'm still holding the part that I secured because I don't want any accident to happen. So you twist this part, twist, you bring it to the front like so, like this. Then you take it to the back. Can you see? Take it to the back. Then you secure it. See all those big fans they put at event centers, those events, some event centers, they have, better ACs, and some they use fan to supplement their AC. And the way those fans used to blow here, the breeze coming from the fan alone can scatter your gele if you don't secure it properly. So you have to find a way of securing your gele properly. So I think it is properly secured now. So you come back here and arrange your fan. Arrange it properly. So at this point, your gele is ready. Can you guys see this? Can you see how simple and beautiful this gele is? See, even as the event owner, you are the one doing the event. You are the one hosting, or maybe you are the one doing naming ceremony. You are the mother of the bride. You are actually the one celebrating something. You can go ahead and, tie your gele like this, and people are going to recognize you as the owner of the event, as the only income of the event. You have family Thanksgiving. See, can you see this? Can you see? And to be sincere with you, the time I'm still going to edit this video, okay? But to be very sincere with you, this is just 16 minutes and I am already done with my gele. So this gele is not going to waste your time. Trust me. Although I'm still going to edit this video, I'm not going to leave it, to run for 16 minutes. But then you can actually achieve this gele in less than 20 minutes. So that is the mini. Let me show you the back. See, this is the back. This is the back. wa pa àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ìyàwó wa kan wá jó now. Then as the ẹ̀gbọ́n ìyàwó or ẹ̀gbọ́n ọkọ, you too, you come forward. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, okay? Let me know. See, remember, practice makes perfection when it comes to tying gele, okay? You might try it the first time and you might not get like a beautiful result, but the more you practice, the more you are going to get perfect at it, okay? See, I'm very perfect at tying, pleated gele. I'm very perfect at that one. That is the style I tie often, okay? If you know how to tie a particular style, other styles won't be very difficult for you. So I want to encourage you, if you are just learning how to tie gele, don't be in a hurry. Continue to practice, and the more you practice, the more you are going to be good at it, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.